Hi guys, welcome to Leading Electronics Repair, and you can see we're outdoors today, so I have with me Detlef on the camera. We have behind us some nice Gran Canarian scenery. Okay, so I'll tell you it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon now. We live 15 degrees west of London and we're on summertime like the UK is, so the sun reaches peaking about an hour at 2 o'clock, and we thought a good reason to do this today is A, it's sunny, but it's always sunny here, and B, it's only about 26 degrees, there's a cool breeze, so we can actually stand out here, okay? So basically, what's this about? Well, a week or so ago, I was chatting with Det at the car boot sale, and for some reason, we talked about solar-powered soldering. Can you do solar-powered soldering? And I came up with this idea, so if you think we're going to do solar-powered soldering, we're not actually going to do solar-powered soldering with these, okay? What we're going to do is solar-powered soldering with this. Okay, so the question is, can we, for example, desolder SMDs using a magnifying glass? Yeah, I mean, what's more solar-powered than that, yeah? So let's get this set up and let's see if this actually works. So what do we need for this little experiment? Well, we need a sunny day, but that's the usual thing. We have a thermocouple here so we can see what temperature we're getting up to. Yeah, we can see, what is it outside here at the moment? Well, the mat on the bench is at 51 centigrade. The air in the sun, yeah, 36.
Yeah, that's very
Yeah, 36. Yeah, so it's good. Let's not mess about. I have some old T-con boards here. These sink quite a bit of heat. Okay, and we're going to try to unsolder some of the SMDs on these. We have, of course, leaded solder, flux, and we have a pair of tweezers. And we might just need some kitchen roll, who knows, yeah. So that's what we have. So I think the first thing we'll do is let's see with the thermocouple how hot we can actually get one of our boards. This was a freebie, by the way, so if we get a hole in it, well, it was a free hole. So let's see, I'll just put this on one of the boards there. Can we see that? Thermocouple on, what we're at. 42. Yeah, now let's see if our soldering station actually works. Oh my god, that's bright. What can we get out of this? Yeah. What can we get out of this? Well,
Water would be boiling.
Water would be boiling. Yeah, water would be boiling. Can I get a bit more focus on that? Try. So I'm not totally sure this actually is going to pass the first hurdle, to be quite honest.
Still going up.
Still going up. Are we still going up? We're going 136, but we need about a few hundred degrees, don't we? 350.
I think so, yeah.
And I think, to be honest, it looks like we can only get 140. Maybe this is not quite so good. Okay, guys, I've just realised that how I have this magnifier, it's not giving like a circular image, so the sun is up here somewhere. If we angle the magnifying glass up, I can get a sharper focal point on there. Now what do we have? 180, 190 degrees?
200.
200 degrees? Yeah. Well, we're a bit over 200 degrees now, so it's still not working with this. I think that's about as much as I can get out of it. Detlef, I think we need a bigger magnifier.
Right.
We could do, a bit like Jaws, we need a bigger magnifier. Well, it just so happens, guys, that we do have a bigger magnifier, so let's see. We have this one, which if we compare with the one we're using, I would say that is probably double the almost double the diameter getting on for that. So yeah, I'm sure the actual area is quite a lot bigger. So let's see what this magnifier does. Let's see if this will get us hot enough to solder. Okay guys, so we've had to modify the setup slightly because where we need to get this magnifier, the focal point, and I just need to tilt this back to its angles towards the sun. That's circular, I think. I'll just try to get the right angle. Oh, this is going to move. Can we move the thing to fit under that? No, towards me a bit, Det. Can we? Where the thermocouple is.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, actually, smoke. There's smoke.
Oh, you're burning the thermocouple.
I'm burning the thermocouple. How hot is that thing?
150.
I was actually burning the thermocouple. Whoa, look at that.
180. What was the peak on 180? I think you need to tilt it a bit more.
Yeah, just get the angle. Smoke was coming from somewhere.
So 250.
250.
Yeah, already.
Okay, let's see if we can actually position this into an angle where we can use it. Okay, so this is our PCB. This is what was smoking. I think it's quite likely that that was actually flux burning off because this is being used as an experimentation board for soldering on the live stream. And I probably just hit some flux actually, which is what was smoking. So we've got the larger magnifier better positioned now. Let's have another go to see if we can get this thing up to suitable temperature for desoldering. Okay, guys, so let's try again. So this is our bigger magnifier. That is as focused as I can get. I can't even look at that.
That's a really good shot here.
What do we have?
Can't tell. Can't read. 100. It's just 100, and the LCD is starting to fail here.
The LCD doesn't like the brightness.
Yeah, it's getting too hot for this.
It's getting too hot for the thermocouple.
Yeah.
Yeah, this board's getting really hot.
There you go. This should be enough.
What do we have? I'll just move this out in the position, and I'll move the board.
120, and I can't do this filming and.
Yeah, and I'm struggling to do this as well. I'm struggling to get the thing into a position where I can actually. Right, thermocouple's in. Can I get this to sit still? That seems to be the maximum focus I can get.
150, 120, going down.
It's smoking again.
It's smoking like mad.
So according to the thermocouple, we can't actually get this up to soldering temperature, but let's see if that's telling lies. Let's actually try to desolder something, yeah? Let's see if we actually can. So let's have a look to see what we have on the board. Okay, so we have some flux on a component there. Now, I can't look at this to actually desolder. All I can really do is get the thing set up. It's moving like so. Let me get it into this shot. Okay, I have a capacitor in there. I have some flux on there. Okay, so we'll just give it a little bit of time. And then we'll see if this thing's going to come loose, yeah? The thermocouple isn't actually on it now.
No.
We just have smoke. We were discussing if this does work, how to control the power of the soldering station. And the best we can come up is, if it's too hot, wait till later in the afternoon. We could wait for a cloudy day, but actually on Monday we had one that is like so rare. Maybe once every few years you get a cloudy day on a cloudy summer's day here. So what do you think, Det? Do you think that's enough time, or do you think we should go a bit longer?
I think the angle is not right.
You think the angle isn't right? There's smoke coming off it.
Yeah. You know, sun is coming down there, and we're pointing in that dark, so we need to be a bit steeper.
Well, there's plenty of smoke coming off. Can you see that?
Yeah, I got it here in short on your phone.
So guys, that is smoking like crazy. It seems this lens doesn't give me such a sharp focus as a smaller one.
Try to get one of the components off there.
Okay, let's have a look. No. No, we don't. We don't. Oh, but the mat's burning. Can we try a final effort? Give me that small magnifier. Let's use them both together. And if this doesn't work, guys, it's a bust. Okay, if this don't work, then it's a no. I think we have to come in from this angle somewhere with this one. That gives a sharper focus. Now can we come in? Oops, I'm in the shadow of it. Ah, this doesn't work because I can't get the...
can't focus through that.
I can't
Can you focus through that? Ooh, interesting.
No.
No.
Okay guys, so it's a bust. Yeah, solar powered soldering doesn't work. But maybe one of you mathematically minded out there could work out what diameter magnifying glass we actually need to make this work, because I'm sure if we had a big enough one, it would do the job nicely. So guys, that didn't work, but we can have a look at the nice scenery. Come on Detlef, to the mountains and beyond.
I think people haven't seen this. Nice.